Everyone, this is the Destinator!
Salamat siang. Hello, everyone. I'm truly honored to join you today as the lead of product planning for the all-new Destinator. As Kato-san mentioned, our journey in developing this premium family SUV began with one simple yet powerful theme: family. From the start, we envisioned it as the confidence booster for energetic families, a vehicle that empowers families to embark on new journeys and discover exciting destinations together. That's why we name it the Destinator. To bring its concept to life, we look to our own families, reflecting on what truly matters to our loved ones and ultimately to our customers. Now, standing before you is a mid-size SUV with a commanding presence and elevated ground clearance, built for excellent off-road capability and agile maneuverability. Inside, the spacious three-row cabin offers comfort for up to 7 passengers, and of course, it delivers exhilarating driving performance. Because it is built with families at its heart, the Destinator offers 3 essential values: comfort, confidence, and prestige. So first, let's begin with comfort. The moment you step inside, you will feel the spacious, high-quality environment designed for families to relax and enjoy every journey together. We've carefully crafted the packaging of this mid-size SUV to maximize the interior space, creating a spacious three-row cabin that delivers MPV-like comfort for all 7 family members. In the first row, the seat offers excellent lumbar support by featuring an open shoulder design, making it easier for parents to chat with their children in the back. The second row provides ample headroom and shoulder room, ensuring a comfortable ride even when all 3 seats are filled. And in the third row, generous legroom and reclining function make long journey more enjoyable. Thoughtful storage solutions and versatile utilities enhance everyday convenience. The second row features foldable seatback tables, perfect for holding tablets or snacks. With both Type A and Type C USB ports in every row, passengers can keep their devices powered at all times. Flexible seat configurations adapt to a variety of cargo needs, and even when all 7 seats are full, there is still plenty of luggage space to fit 4-gallon bottles or whatever the journeys call for. And of course, the driving experience itself is smooth and refined. The suspension has undergone rigorous testing across Indonesian diverse landscapes, from bustling city streets to highways and winding mountain roads. Along with various drive modes, which I will explain later, our latest tuning ensures a comfortable ride whether the road leads. The second core value is confidence. The all-new Destinator is engineered to empower every driver with confidence and safety across diverse terrain and weather conditions, paired with powerful, exhilarating acceleration. With high ground clearance and excellent forward visibility, drivers can confidently take on rough or flooded roads. Generous approach, ramp breakover, and departure angles make it easy to overcome obstacles and uneven terrain. Under the hood, it's powered by a 1.5-liter Mavic engine, turbo engine, with a maximum output of 163 PS and a peak torque of 250 Newton meters. It delivers a smooth, responsive, and exhilarating drive. Optimized for the ASEAN region, it features a water-cooled intercooler and highly efficient dual injection system, achieving an ideal blend of performance and fuel efficiency. The CVT transmission ensures quiet, smooth cruising through city streets and highways, but when power is needed, whether for overtaking uphill or merging at high speeds, It responds with direct, powerful acceleration for an enjoyable drive. To ensure a safe, secure, and comfortable driving experience in various road and weather conditions, we've enhanced the front-wheel drive system with our all-wheel control technology. By integrating active yaw control, traction control, engine control, and power steering control, the Destinator delivers the confident off-road capability you expect from a true SUV. And because every journey is different, we've introduced 5 distinct drive modes, each designed to deliver optimal handling and driving force across diverse terrains. Normal mode offers a balanced drive for everyday use. Wet mode provides high stability even in rainy conditions. Gravel mode reduces slippage and enhances handling on unpaved roads. And mud mode pours through muddy terrain with confidence. And for the first time in Indonesia, we are proud to introduce the tarmac mode, born from Mitsubishi Motors Motorsports DNA. It delivers agile, precise handling on winding paved roads and turns everyday moments like escaping heavy traffic on highways into enjoyable drives. And above all, we know that safety is a top priority for families. That's why we've equipped with Destinator with advanced driving assistant features, including the multi-around monitor for high preventive safety, complemented by a reinforced collision safety body that minimizes cabin deformation and 6 airbags. And last but not least, we've arrived at the last core value, prestige. Simply put, this is the joy of ownership. It's about the thoughtful details that make every drive feel special for families. One of the most defining features is its stylish design, but rather than explaining it myself, our designer will later share the passion behind our designer's work in the next session. Inside, the large monolithic display panel combines a 12.3-inch smartphone link display audio and 8-inch driver display, offering key driving information at a glance, so drivers stay informed and confident on the road. Whether adjusting the panoramic sunroof, controlling the sound system, fine-tuning ambient lighting, or managing connected features, the center display uplifts every drive. Daytime drives are enriched by the panoramic sunroof, which fills the cabin with bright, natural light, creating an open and airy feel. You can adjust the glass and sunshade for the perfect blend of sunlight and fresh air. At night, 64-color ambient lighting transforms the cabin, allowing you to match the atmosphere to your mood. Whether you prefer a steady glow, 3-color transition, or soothing pulse while parked, you can personalize the experience to suit any moment. And for families who love music, our renowned dynamic sound Yamaha Premium delivers rich, immersive audio through an 8-speaker setup, finely tuned by Yamaha's Soundmeister to create the perfect sound experience for the Destinator. Finally, our Mitsubishi Connect enhances both safety and convenience. In emergencies, call center support is always ready to assist, giving families peace of mind. For everyday use, smartphone integration helps you locate your vehicle and activate the air conditioning remotely, ensuring comfort before the drive even begins. At its core, every detail of the all-new Destinator was crafted with families in mind. I hope the Destinator will be your trusted companion, inspiring you and your loved ones to embrace new adventures, create unforgettable memories, and enjoy a safe journey to your grand destinations. Thank you very much. Terima kasih.
you.